This conference will now be recorded.
Hi guys, this is SonicR Mastery team. We are on 12th of March 2017. Okay, let's talk about week number 11. Look ahead. Okay, this week we have quite a lot of item coming up. We are already in Tuesday already, and as you know, there's a lot of movement going on the British pound right now, as you already know, right? So I think British pound gonna be a very important for this week because we have the Parliament Brexit vote will be coming on tomorrow, which is on Wednesday, and at the same time, we will be having other items such as like US dollars, and another item that you will need to look out for is the JPY items on Friday. As I mentioned before, right, JPY items are quite tricky. The reason being because once in a while, when the newcomer only come out on the week, only once in a month. The problem is sometimes even there's a news on it, there's no much movement on JPY at all, right? But once in a while, because of the sun movement, there will be big move on the JPY pair as well. So it's like it is more like a 50-50 kind of information. But anyway, it is good to know that there will be a JPY item coming up on Friday. Yeah. So this week there are the three major items that you need to look out for. First being British pound, second being the US dollar, and the third being JPY. Of course, there will be other pairs that will be moving as well in our opinion. Okay, so there are few setups or few pairs that I want you to focus on, and we would like to we would like to talk about it. Okay, let's move on to the market analysis. Okay, as you can see, this is a Dow Jones and Dow Jones US stock market index, right? So they are having a pretty nice pullback in the making at the moment, right? We have a pretty decent pin bar per se, right? Pin bar, bullish pin bar for the past 2 days. That's to show that in the market there are signs of buy coming in to push the price up. Okay, that's what the pin bar is all about, right? So I think they were likely to go up higher first, right? Because there's no way we should be so bearish at all at the moment, because for the past 2 days it's a bullish candle, and I think they were likely to go and retest this level, right? This range region, not only the level, range region around 25900 to 25980. Around this region will be a very potential level that they will go up first. So if you are looking for a short, I would suggest don't do so at the moment. Maybe you will have a chance around this region for you to short it down. Okay, but for now, if you're looking for an immediate trade entry, I would suggest you can go for a long, in my opinion, because the signs of bullishness are very high here. So this is the US market. All right, now let's talk about British pound US dollars. Okay, British pound US dollar. If you follow our Telegram, you can look for Telegram, Sonic Traders, Trader with S, right? We have a free Telegram channel for you guys as well. So yesterday we posted that there is a strong chance of going up higher, and it indeed go up higher, nearly up to 200 pips, right? So I think what they are doing right now is that they will be trying to pull back down a little bit, but overall, immediate trend is in the bullish trend, in my opinion. So what's gonna happen is that they may come back down to 1.3145, around this support region. All right, this 1.314, 1.3120 region. As long as this level is not being broken down, I think we still have a lot of chances that they will go back up higher. So this is a very support level that I will be monitoring closely, because as long as this level is not broken, I think the chance of this particular pair to go up higher is very high. Okay, so it should go back to retest. If it happen, it should go back to retest 1.3280 as the first immediate resistance again, and of course they can go up to 1.335, 1.334 level again. So to conclude, I think it is better for you to look for a long only at this moment. Okay, so this on the GU. So far I have done Dow Jones and GU. Another one I want to talk about is the New Zealand US dollars. Okay, New Zealand US dollar, if you look at into the so-called in the context, right, we have been in a big range since sometime back, since last November, right? We can see that they're in a very big range. I think they were trying hard to break up, in my opinion. All right. So as you can see, we have a very nice bullish candle for the past few days, and it is very easily and very possible that they will go back to retest this level first, 0.86. 0.6860, 0.6870 level first. So if you're looking for a position, I think you should only look for a long as well. Again, just like what I mentioned on the British pound US dollars, same thing or similar thing. We can see that this level 0.6780, 0.6760, around this region will be a very good support region in my opinion. So as long, put it this way, as long as this level is not being broken down, I think the likelihood of going up is very high as well. So looks like those pair against US dollar is on a bullish mode right now. Okay, so we have a lot of them. We have British pound US dollar, we have New Zealand US dollar, we have Euro US dollar, and we have Aussie US dollar. But out of all of them, I think British pound and the New Zealand US dollar, they have a better chance of going up higher and faster in my opinion. So I don't really want to talk about Euro US dollar or Aussie US dollar. All right. So this is a New Zealand US dollar for you. Okay, the last one is gold trade here. Okay, there are something that I'm seeing in the gold position, gold movement at the moment. I think if I'm not wrong, within next 2 weeks or so. All right, because this week is week number 11. Week number 12, we have a FOMC rate decision. I think it's gonna be have a very very big impact on US dollar as well as on the gold position. Okay, I'm having a feeling or I'm having an understanding that the market is going to go up a lot higher in near future for gold in my opinion. Of course, I can be right, I can be wrong as well, but I have a very good conviction that they will go a lot higher in my opinion. So when we take a look on the technical size of it, right? Currently gold is they are using this range region 1.2 1278 okay, put it this way, 1275 to 1285 region as a support, and they are trying to launch the bullish attempt. So market maybe seeing a swing around like I expected here for a time being, but I think the once they break out, I think they're going to break up to the upside instead of the downside. So put it this way, you should more or less look for a long than short only. Okay, do not get carried away by the individual candle information. Yeah, because one day the price action is bullish, you long, the next day price action is bearish, you short. I think this is not a correct way to trade profitably. All right, so you need to have some kind of context, you need to have some kind of bias. All right, so I think this is going to happen soon. They may go up straight away, or they may even come back down first before they go up later on, right? But either way, okay, I'm expecting the market is going to go up a lot higher. Of course, when it does, when it does, right, the likelihood of the level that they can revisit again is 1313 level. Another one is easily 1326 level. So I'm expecting that the likelihood of going up is higher soon. Yeah. So yep, this is for gold for you. So looks like to conclude, looks like we are on the risk on again. All right. So we have a British pound US dollar. We are pretty bullish on that. New Zealand US dollar as well, gold as well, and also on Dow Jones as well. So let's see how it goes. All right. And thank you very much for watching. Okay. I see you guys next week. Thank you.
All right. And over my end, I have two pairs that I'll be looking for a short setup. The first one will be the pound to New Zealand dollars. For a bigger swing. All right. So in the weekly time frame, I can see that price seems to be like coming down for a strong down move soon. All right. So we have a potential 1,000 pips gain or 1,000 pips move for us to trade if price were to break below the 1.9. As of now, we are in some resistance level, and if today's candle were to turn out as a bearish candle, it will be a good opportunity for me to look for a short setup, right? Mainly because I'm bearish biased in the first place, and secondly, it is at a resistance level. So if it breaks below the 1.9, this is where I'll be looking to add a second position. All right, up next, Aussie to Canadian dollars is still in the resistance level. Price has not break above it yet, right? So I'm still bearish bias on that. Right, still patiently waiting for price to break below, and then if it happens to do so, I'm seeing that it could go all the way down towards the support level at 0.929 level. Okay, so I'm still bearish bias on this so long as 0.9478 holds. Right, so this is all we have for this week. All right, see you guys in the upcoming week again. Thank you.